Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Joy. Today I'm sharing a miracle belly fat ingredient that will help beat stubborn belly fat in 7 days. The ingredient is made with natural superfood, higher nutrition. I am talking about moringa. Add moringa in fresh or powder form in your morning routine. It will accelerate your metabolism, keep your energy level up, make your skin fresh with healthy growth, help in fat burning, and you can also get a relief from chronic inflammation. Moringa helps to lose weight, prevent and treat type 2 diabetes. Moringa helps to lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure. The high calcium contained in moringa leaves make it a perfect natural ingredient. Arthritis, and above all, moringa fully nourish and energize your body. Moringa can be very cleansing for the body. It helps remove bad toxin. Moringa helps to protect liver function. How to make this drink? You need a lukewarm water. Don't make it so hot. Lukewarm water. You put half teaspoon of moringa powder into the water and you stir it together. You add half teaspoon of moringa powder. When you use it all the time before the 7 days, if you find out that the moringa powder is good for you, it will adjust to your skin. You can add more little by little to increase the quantity of the moringa powder you are using. So you can add a little bit of honey, or you can add lemon. You put a little bit of lemon and honey. Honey is optional. If you don't want to use honey, it's okay. If you can drink it like that, it's okay. So you add a little bit of lemon. I want to drink it without lemon or honey, so that is why I'm making it like this. So if you want to make yours, if you feel like adding lemon and honey, it's okay by it. So this is how I'm gonna drink it. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. If you find this video helpful, useful, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my video. I upload video on this channel almost every day. So thank you. Check out other of my video. I have amazing and interesting video that you will benefit from it. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope it helps you. Bye.